Thank you, thank you. Oh, it's, I don't know.
Here you go, guys. I've got a list of shuttlers too. If you text me, I can text them back to you.
All right. You're Mike?
I'm Mike. Yeah.
All right, hi Mike.
How's it going so far?
Good. Doing well. So yeah, do you mind being on camera?
Oh no. I don't
Okay.
mind.
So yeah, we're this is. Oh, you guys know who I am, huh? But yeah, leaving Hiawassee, and this isn't my shuttle driver, but he just introduced himself.
Mike.
So that's
Mike
Mike
and Suzanne.
Mike and Suzanne, man, Georgia Mountain Friends.
Yep.
So if you need a shuttle, but yeah, I got Gracie coming. I called her last night. So
Gracie. I know Gracie.
yeah, so
Yeah, she's good.
like, yeah, but we got your number
Yeah,
now.
just
So.
like I can help you at all. Let me know.
Awesome,
I've got
awesome.
numbers and all that.
So how far do you shuttle?
I usually go as far as Dix Creek Gap, and I will go down to Springer and Amicalola.
Gotcha.
But when it gets up to Deep Gap, I usually throw you to a North Carolina shuttler.
Okay,
It
gotcha.
makes more sense for y'all from a price-wise and all that.
Yeah, that's where we're headed. We're headed to Dix Creek and we're going north. So,
Okay.
so we'll
Good.
probably, if I hit you'll
When'd
probably
you start?
the 17th. So
Good.
last Friday.
Good deal.
Yeah, it was.
Got trail names yet?
I'm Mr. Possible BC. So
Mr. Possible?
Mr. Possible BC.
Okay.
So I'm also on YouTube as the Black Camper. So you can-
Okay. Oh, I think I saw your thing.
Yeah.
The Black Dancer?
the Black Camper.
Panther?
Camper. CAMPER. Like
Camper?
Camp. Like camping outside.
Camper. You can see I'm hard of hearing.
No, it's the Smash too. I mean.
No, it's just the math, but I'm all for it.
Hey, anybody who really know me know what this about. Tell them, Granny. To everyone.
Hi and bye.
That's Gracie. That was ours.
He likes my music.
Yes. As you saw. So yeah, she's great. So it's awesome. Hey, whoever left that for Taylor, that was cool. I know exactly who that is. I mean, I know who Taylor is because I think she's behind me. That's the other YouTuber. So, hey Taylor. That means you're probably close. So see you soon. Hey, kind of late. Yeah, so up out of Dix Creek, already had to readjust my bag. I had my clothes at the bottom and then my sleeping bag, and then I piled my food bag on top of that and stuff. I had to switch the food bag and the sleeping bag because right now, damn food bag, oh shit, should have got lunch out of there. Damn. But my food bag is like, I don't know, 10, 12 pounds. Shit's heavy. Overbought at Ingles while we were in town, so that's all right. I'm gonna eat a lot. Put your food bag as close to the bottom as possible, because it had it in the middle. It was actually like pretty much towards the top, and that shit hurt. It hurt bad. So, but yeah, heavy stuff at the bottom, light stuff at the top. Video bomb.
There you go. Well, we just did that back there.
No, it's all right. The viewers love that stuff anyway. They like strangers. This tree fell a long time ago. Super huge too. Hey, it was a big tree. It was a big one. Damn it. Where's the damn filter? What's up? I hate this punk old bag, man. And I'm so sad about my daggone my Sawyer, and not Sawyer, this is Sawyer. What did I have? The Be Free. Yeah, that's what it was. It was so easy. And honestly, this water right here, while running down rocks, I think you can drink it, right? Without filtering it. I'm not gonna take the chance. But I think you can. Yeah. I even had a liter still, but I don't know what the next one is, and I'm gonna camel up. Yeah, it's hard doing this with one hand. Damn it. Clean water. Dirty damn cap now. Oh, it looks orange. Fuck. This over here. Without a cap, so I can rinse this cap off. Even though it's still gonna be dirty. But.
Hello.
Hey, howdy.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good, good, good. Just thought I would stop and get some water.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's like the only one.
I think there might be one more, but I was down to 1 liter and I'm gonna drink a liter
Yeah.
right now. So I was like, yeah, I probably should get some. Yeah.
The downhill is a pain in my ass.
Oh, you girls love y'all. I mean, hate the downhills. I mean, we were walking with a young lady and she just hated downhills, but was like zooming up.
Was that, who was that?
Oh,
Her name was it Blueberry?
No. She's a, oh gosh, Skippy.
Skippy?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know.
She's a little behind. She was with us. She's part of our family, but.
Okay.
Gosh, bro, my name need to be Lose It, cause I be losing all kind of stuff, man. Dang, I just had to walk like 1/10 of a mile back because I dropped my headbuds. But I just bought these this morning. I just bought them. I wasn't finna let the woods get these. I had to walk back, pack all the way up there somewhere. I'm like, nah, man, nah, I'm going back. That's enough. Got enough from me, Appalachian Trail woods, Appalachian mountains. Just taking all my shit. I know it's these little punk old ferries. Y'all better leave me alone, man. What's up? Yeah, about to eat some lunch, man. Everybody, well, Nicky ahead of me. I don't know where he at. He up there somewhere. But that was like after 12, so 12:18. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna stop up here. But my dumb butt, when I fixed my bag earlier, forgot to take my lunch out. So I gotta dig all this shit in. I'll dig all the way to the bottom here. And hopefully I don't leave anything. Oh, should cook while I'm at it. Should cook some. Nah. I don't know what I'm gonna have for lunch, man. Probably some tuna and stuff. Oh, here's another hiker coming up, but sorry about the wind, but what you want from me? We're on the mountaintop somewhere. Hey, how's it going? Good, good, good. Just thought I'll stop and get some lunch and
Love it.
Talk to the people.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
how's it going? Good.
Good to see you, man.
Take it easy. See you down there. Yeah, I don't know what that was, but seemed pretty cool. Gotta pull this damn food bag out now. Let me see. Got some tortillas. I think this like snacks and shit. Probably do some of those too. That's the breakfast stuff. And of course, it's all the way at the bottom. Let me see. Yep. Oh shit. Damn it, man. The sun feels good though. That's breakfast. Here it is. Finally. My tortillas off. See, I had to take everything out, man. That's just bogus. Alright, here's a half. I don't know. Chicken salad or a tuna. I'm going to tuna. Now I'm going to chicken. Go to chicken. Throw some get the bird on there. Some pepperoni. Alright. Chicken and pepperoni, baby, on the tortilla. These tortilla and pepperoni wraps are pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. But alright. That's what I'm having for lunch. I'm gonna let y'all go. Hey man. So everybody, we always, you know, a lot of people out here, we watch YouTube videos, and everybody, a lot of people out here watch me, Will in the Wilderness, you know. Everybody loves Dixie. Hi Dixie. Everybody is also like wondering what the heck was wrong with Will. Bro, hey Will, if you watch this, Will in the Wilderness, we really are quite flabbergasted at why you wanted to drink the toilet water, man. Everybody I've talked to, they just can't figure out why you want to drink the toilet water. I mean, I know you had a lot of snow. I would have been eating the snow, and I know you melted the snow, but we don't understand how that was appealing. Maybe was it a tank toilet? Can you kind of explain that to us so we can know? We need some closure on that one. Yeah, your debrief video didn't really, it just made us more confused. Am I right, y'all? Anybody else feel that way? I know a lot of people that I've met on trail feel that way. They're like, I don't know. He had a debrief video? What? Oh, that's weird. That was weird. Yeah, because your reasoning's just, it didn't line up. It just didn't line up, Will. So, Will in the Wilderness, if you see that, let us know what's up. Holler. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do you do when you can't stop swimming? You just gotta keep on swimming, swimming up the hills. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming up those hills. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming up the hills. I just made that one up. Coming up on the border. There's a bunch of people up here, so I think it's the border. That means I'm about to be 78 miles. Is that the border crossing right there? Yeah, that's the border crossing. I was right. All right. So, yeah, 78. Out of Georgia. Almost. See? It's right there. It's right there. Okay. Should I call my uncle? No. I made it. Hey.
Congratulations.
Thanks. Hi, you guys mind being on video? Sorry.
No,
You know.
no worries.
So, yeah. It was too late anyway, wasn't it? Hi, guys. I'm a black camper, by the way.
Hey,
I know
nice to meet
shivers.
That's right.
And then I feel like I followed you on Instagram.
Probably black camper on Instagram
I
too.
think I gave you a shout out and stuff. And yeah, I'm Cody. Do you
Oh,
Cody
maybe.
Heights? Yeah.
No, sorry.
No, you're good.
Okay, so real quick about the Instagram. I take all the photos, but my wife does most of the editing and
Okay.
stuff. And so, I mean, I'm there, but I'm not really there. So if you talk to me on Instagram, I'm sorry. But yeah, all right, I'm gonna turn this off now. I said capture. A GoPro stop. GoPro stop. GoPro stop recording.